I'm going to share with you in this video might leave you feeling fairly terrified about the criminal justice system, or any justice system for that matter. And the reason is this. When a case comes to court, it has to be proven on the basis of evidence. That evidence might be provided by CCTV cameras, by documents, photographs and things like this, DNA perhaps. But first and foremost, the evidence that the courts usually rely upon is the witness testimony of individuals. In the civil court, the main evidence is contained within a witness statement, and then they are cross-examined on that witness statement. But in the criminal courts, unless the statements are agreed, evidence is usually live, and therefore evidence is taken from the witness and cross-examined live in court. The only problem is that this evidence is taken live and cross-examined live in court, usually quite some considerable time after the event, and thus memory of those events can be contaminated and very often will change over time. Now, what I'm going to share with you in this video will not only demonstrate that memory can be unreliable, but your very observation in the first place. But of course, your witness testimony is only going to be as strong and reliable as your memory of an event and your original observation of that event in the first place. So I'm going to show you a clip and test your observations. So you need to watch this clip very carefully, and I'm going to challenge you as to what changes you see in the video over the course of time. Just watch this. So as you watch this clip of a seemingly ordinary waiting room, I want you to observe any changes and anything that moves or changes throughout this image, because I'm going to illustrate just how flawed your observation is and how you will miss things that are right in front of your eyes. And this is because your brain chooses what things to focus on, and it prioritizes certain things for various reasons. Now, did you realize that the majority of items in this room have changed over those few seconds? If you don't believe me, let's take another look at it. Look at these two images side by side and you can see the number of things that have changed in the room. If you don't believe me that these things have actually changed right before your eyes, you'll need to go back and watch the video again, and you'll see just how unreliable witness evidence can be. Remember, a mistaken witness can still be a convincing witness, and people may well be sent to prison on the strength of their memory. So please do like the video and share it with someone you think might find it interesting. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching.